Welcome back. Francois from How to Become More. On Insights for Better Living, today we're going to talk about 5 steps to be decisive and overcome indecision. How would be decisive and accomplish more, change your life? I'm sure it would a lot. So the 5 steps are: number 1, be clear. What I mean, be clear with what it is that you want to achieve. The decision that you make, be clear. And number 2 is really, really tied into it. Chunk it down. Make it into small pieces. The smaller, the better. Why? Because small pieces or small action pieces are easier and less frightening to tackle. So if it's a small chunk of action, it's easier to be decisive and take that action. Number 3, put it onto your agenda. My agenda is right here. So that screen right there is my agenda. That's the only thing on that screen. When you put it on your agenda, something magical happens. It pulls you to make it happen because it's written down. And that's something that puts you into the decision mode. Then share it with someone, but someone that you trust. Why do I say that? If you share something you want to do with people that will pull you down, that's not a good idea. People that are not in harmony with the goals that you want, that's not a good idea. But people that you trust, people that can edify you. For example, myself. I believe in you. I don't know you. One thing I know for sure is if you're listening to this, you want to get better. And therefore, if you share the things that you want with people that can help you, edify you, uplift you, the chances of it happening are much higher. And finally, the cherry on top, number 5, is whenever you achieve it, you reward yourself. Reward yourself when you accomplish a decision that you have set to do. Why? It's going to give you courage and encouragement to actually next time. It says, wow, when I finish doing something, I can encourage myself. You don't need to buy a house. Sometimes I just buy a chocolate bar, a dark chocolate bar. You're going to say, well, that's small. That's okay. I'm rewarding myself for having taken action and following through on my decision. 5 steps. Number 1, be clear. Number 2, chunk it down. The smaller, the better. Number 3, put it on your agenda. Number 4, share it with someone you trust and that can edify you. And that can be me. And number 5, reward yourself when you accomplish it. That will give you power to do it the next time and gain momentum and accomplish more and more, therefore transform your life. There you have it, the 5 steps to be more decisive and overcome challenges of you not taking action. If you haven't done so, subscribe to this YouTube channel and ring the bell so you can be notified every time we put a video out. I do it 5 days a week. And also share with your friends. You never know who might need a little push. And they might be the ones that you trust. Until next time, make it a great day. Bye now.